Hello friends, in this video I will show you hands-on comparison in between Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra jet black versus S25 Ultra titanium black color. I will also share some in-depth information of this latest smartphone. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.90-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1400 x 3120 pixels. The display sports Gorilla Glass armor for protection. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It comes with 12 GB of RAM. It runs Android 15 and is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra supports wireless charging as well as 45-watt fast charging for fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on the rear packs a quad camera setup featuring a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 10 megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 12 megapixel sensor. The front camera also features autofocus. So friends, that's all about Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.